Keeping in the loop. Understanding this handy English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used English phrase, keep in the loop. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a gateway to understanding English in a more practical sense. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of keep in the loop. Keep in the loop is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to keep someone informed about and involved in something, such as a plan or project. This phrase is often used in both professional and personal contexts. For example, in a work setting, a manager might say, "Please keep me in the loop about the project's progress." This means the manager wants to be continuously updated and involved in the project. The phrase, keep in the loop, likely originates from the early days of electronic communication. In those times, being in the loop meant being part of a select group that was connected by a loop of electronic communication, such as telegraph or telephone systems. Today, it symbolizes being in the circle of information and communication. Using keep in the loop is quite straightforward. It can be used in various situations. 1. In the workplace, to ask for regular updates on a project or situation. 2. In personal life, to stay informed about friends or family's plans or news. 3. In formal writing, although more common in spoken English, it can also be used in emails or formal correspondence, particularly in a business context. Remember, it's a phrase that implies continuous information flow, so it's often used in ongoing situations rather than one-time events. 1. I'm going on vacation next week, but I'll make sure to keep you in the loop about the project. 2. Could you keep me in the loop about the dinner plans for Saturday? 3. Our team always keeps each other in the loop with daily briefings. Keep in the loop is a phrase that's not just about information, but about inclusion and connection. By using it, you're asking to be a part of something ongoing, to be included in the continuous flow of information. We hope this video helps you understand and use keep in the loop confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.